Namaskar. So now let us revise what you have learned in this course for beginners. So it was a course, basically crash course made specifically for the beginners as we started from the zero level, and by the end of this course you would be able to playing few melodies, few set of alankars like techniques I have also explained for the tonguing techniques which you can use, which comes under the some advanced techniques on the flute playing. So now let us revise from start from zero what we learnt in the course, so that you can also revise at your place, at your own pace. And one thing which I want to say, that you just don't have to skip the lessons in the sake of like doing a course. You have to be on one lesson one by one, and then you have to practice 100% the topic which is told in that particular lesson. So we started from the introduction, and after that I introduced with the flutes, how many flutes are there, and which flute or bansuri is best for the beginners. So there are 24 different types of flutes based on the skills, 12 skills, and in each skill there will be two flutes. One will be of medium, and another will be bass flute. Okay, so suppose if I am using a skill, then there will be two flutes in skill A. One will be a medium and second will be a bass. Medium flute is of shorter length and bass flute is of higher length, or it is lengthier than the medium flute, and the sound of the bass flutes is heavier, belongs to the lower pitch, or it is thick, and the sound of the medium flutes is thinner, it belongs to higher pitch. Okay, it will be kind of shrill sound. Then in the next chapter I told you how to hold the flute. Okay, once again I am telling these three fingers of each hand you have to use. Like if you're righty, then the right hand will come for the these three holes, which are the next set of three holes, and the first set of three holes, to cover those three holes you have to use the left hand. Okay, these three fingers you have to use like this. So total six fingers will be used to cover the holes part, and both the thumbs, this left hand thumb and right hand thumb, will be used to support the flute from falling on the ground. So you can place this thumb, this left hand thumb, just next to the first hole. This is the first playing hole, so you can either place it here or you can place it below the first hole according to your comforts. There is no shortcut, there is no formula for placing the thumb. It just depends on your comfort, how you are comfortable in placing the fingers and thumb on your flute. Okay, so now next I told you how to blow, how to produce sound on the flute. Again I told you, like, you can take help of a mirror or selfie camera. You have to place your lower part lip on the boundary of this blowing hole, then only the sound will come properly. Okay, then few finger exercises to make the fingers comfortable on playing the holes. This you can practice. Then we commanded on high and lower pitch. So that's how you have to practice. You have to you have to change the intensity of your blowing to change the octave of the sound. Then we commanded on the pitches by a few exercises which I told you. After that I introduced you with the sargam theory and the western notations. How many swars are there, how many western notes are there? You just have to remember, like sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. These are the seven shuddha swaras. Then re, ga, dha, ni, re, ga, dha, ni. These swars have komal as well. So 7 shuddha, 4 komal, total 11, and 1 ma tivra as well. So there are 12 notes, swaras, and in order: sa, re komal, re shuddha; ga komal, ga shuddha; ma shuddha, ma tivra. This you have to remember. There is no komal for ma swar. There is only ma shuddha and ma tivra. After that, pa, dha komal, dha shuddha; ni komal, ni shuddha. These are the 12 swaras. And talking about the western notes again: A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp. There are no sharps for B and E note. This is what you have to remember. Okay, this was in the sargam theory. Then we introduced how to play sargam on the flute. Closing the three holes will be the sa. If you are not able to understand the sargam part in Hindi, then what you can do, you can use the notes as well. This will be C note, C, D, E, F, G, then A, B, C. This will again will be the C. Then I introduced with the major scales, minor scales, which notes are used in major scales, all Shuddha Swaras. Then Ga, Dhani, Komal will be used in the minor scale. This was the minor scale. Then what is metronome in the next chapter? Metronome is just a set of beats per minute. And in a minute, how many beats, how many count it is giving you, that is called as metronome. And the BPM term is used for the speed purpose. Suppose if it is 60 BPM, then there are 60 counts in 1 minute. Means at each, for each second there will be one count. And simply if I extend it to 90, then it will become 1.5. 120, it will become 2 counts per second. It is like that only. Then we practiced few alankars. There were total 10 number of alankars in this course, and I told you that how you can make your own set of alankars by using the combinations of notes. Okay, so I am wishing that you are you have also made the set of alankars, and you can send it to me on my WhatsApp number, that which alankar you have made, and your practice as well, you can send it here. Then after that, we learned some ornamentations techniques like Karn, Mead Swar, Khatka, and Gama. Karn is just like Sa, Ha. This is Karn. This is Mead. This is Khatka. This is Gamak. These are the ornamentations technique. Then we learnt few songs: Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, and Titanic theme song. And I wish that you are able to play those songs as well. So, and then after we learnt about how to play any songs, which steps you have to follow. You just have to start from the Sa. Then you have to identify the direction, either the higher pitch or towards the lower pitch. Then you have to identify the gap, for how many notations we are jumping, either in the right direction or in the left direction. After that, we saw a few tonguing techniques, which I told you. These three techniques I have told you, three different types of tonguing techniques which you can use. So this was all in this crash course. I am wishing that you find this crash course useful in your journey of flute playing, and I hope that you will review it as well. You will give your feedback it on the platform on which you are using this course. Thank you.